Bonjour French chic ladies, and today in this video I am going to show you how to dress like a boss lady with two chic outfits. So by the end of this video you will be able to dress for success and look like a boss. So if you are with me, please type boss in the comment section below, and also please also look in the description below for all the links to the items I'm going to show you. My name is Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com and howtobechicandelegant.com, and I've helped literally tens of thousands of women upgrade their style via my French chic principle and in my books, in my courses, and also my personal style consultancy. So if you want to know about French chic, it pays to listen to a French woman. So if you're new to my channel, please click subscribe and click on the little bell to receive notifications. So I am going to show you two very simple outfits centered on a simple pair of black tailored trousers, a thin black leather belt, two beautiful silk top from Lily Silk, this black and white silk scarf from Lily Silk, and two different jackets. So all the items, you can mix and match to make the look that you really want for you. And I really love the black and white monochrome for this because every item is interchangeable. You can mix and match, change this, change that, but ultimately the end result is always chic, always elegant. So the black top from Lily Silk is simple and as such a basic or an essential to have. You need to have some kind of top like this that can be worn with anything, everywhere, and really with a lot of your other clothes. This is why black and white are very versatile items to have in your wardrobe. And the white top is tailored the same, so it's 90% silk and 10% spandex, so they allow for movement and they are easy to wear, they are comfortable to wear, can be worn under a sweater, under a cardigan, under a jacket, and with this round neckline is very simple. You can just wear a long necklace if you wanted to, but I love it with this scarf. Black and white scarf goes with the black, it goes with the white, very versatile. All these three items are very versatile to have in any wardrobe, and especially in a workwear wardrobe. In the corporate world, you want to look like a boss, you dress like a boss. So this is the white top. So this is the same design, and you can see the little detailing here. So they are cut square. So something to remember about Lily Silk is that the sizing is generous. So for me, as an 8 to 10 UK and 38 France size, I chose the extra small. Okay, just to give you an idea of the sizing. So they are cut square, so they are easy to fit in, to tuck into your trousers and your skirt. So I will add the links to these items in the description below. So I'm going to show you now two different jackets you could wear with this outfit. So I like this black boucle jacket, very simple, goes well for so many occasions, and I have also worn it in my corporate days years and years ago, and you can see how a classic style like this goes well with everything. So in black, buttoned up or unbuttoned, and it goes well. Look at this. Easy really to accessorize. This is really a black outfit, so simple to create, simple to wear, and looks so chic and elegant. And now let me show you the other jackets I would wear with it. So this is the second jacket I would wear with this black top, also with the white top. And you see I have removed the scarf because I thought it would be far too much. Much better without it, or maybe with a simple black scarf if you wanted to. Of course, this one will be dressier, but if you want to dress like the boss, you have to look like one. So of course, this type of jacket is dressy, but for the boardroom or meeting big clients, you know, you can wear something like this. So please tell me in the comments below which outfit is your favorite, and which top, the black one or the white one, and what do you think about this scarf. So of course, this scarf is going to be one of my most versatile items, black and white. I can wear it with white, I can wear it with black, and with black and white items. If you want to learn more on how to dress like a boss and how to dress for the office, have a look in the description below, first of all with all the links to these items that I'm showing you today, and also to my courses. I have 3 new courses on office wear: business casual, business smart, and business formal. These are perfect to show off your beautiful items. So I hope you enjoyed this video and all the items I've shown you today. So I hope you can join me every Monday and Friday on my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. So if you enjoyed this video, please click like, share the video, click subscribe, click on the little bell. There's lots of things to do, isn't there? I know. So I am also on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Many of you have asked me where I am as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll speak to you soon.